Hi there. Today I'm going to go through how to clean and lubricate your stringing machine, turntable, as well as your fixed clamps. Well, over time, after you string, a few dozen rackets, your clamp bases are moving around in the track, and over time it will accumulate, a lot of dirt and other things that makes it a bit more sticky. And if we regularly maintain our turntable, it will make the operation much smoother. As you can see on my turntable, this has been used for around 50 string drops, and you can see all these little black stuff and just accumulating on the track. And if we remove them, it'll be much smoother. All right. Let's begin by taking a look at what kind of tools we need. Firstly, we need a piece of kitchen towel. I prefer kitchen towel because they don't shed a lot of fiber. Next is a Q-tip. And to clean the track, I use a bio-degreaser which is designed for bicycles. They all pretty much work the same. And lastly, we need our oil. This particular one I use is also designed for bicycle. It has a low viscosity, which will make the movement of the clamps much smoother. Okay, first what we're going to do is we're going to clean the turntable, remove all these junk, and also remove any other places where we have any kind of dirt or any kind of paint dust that we took off the strings. So take the tissue, spray a little bit of degreaser on it, and we gently rub it on the track. Not sure whether you can see it from the camera. You can just see that the black grime are actually coming off. So we're going to clean other parts just to make it nice and smooth. Move the clamp away to reach different places. And also pay attention to the side of the track. Okay, that's it. That's cleaning the turntable. Next is we're going to oil the track. To do that, we're going to use the same kitchen towel. We probably don't need the whole kitchen towel to clean, so we use the same kitchen towel for the oil. Put a few drips of oil onto the towel, and then we just rub the track with it. We don't need a lot of oil on the track, but enough so that it feels smooth when you move the. I can actually feel how smooth it is now when I move the clamp away. Make sure that we apply it in different locations everywhere. All right. Now to finish off, we want to apply some oil on the side of the track, and this is where the Q-tip comes in hand. Since we're going to drip some oil on the Q-tip. Notice I put the kitchen towel underneath to catch any droplets that comes off. So we're going to oil the sides of the track. Okay, apply a bit more. and on the other side. Okay, this is the procedure to oil the track. As you can see now, the clamps, they actually move much smoother. Next, I'm going to talk about how to apply oil to the clamp themselves. For the fixed clamps, there are two places where we need to add oil. Firstly, we need to do it on the shaft itself, but before that we need to clean it. The procedure for cleaning the shaft is the same as the turntable. We take our napkin, a kitchen towel, spray some degreaser on it, and we just wipe it. Okay, I'm going to do it to both of my clamps. Okay, and right now it's clean, but there are no oil in it. So what we do is we're going to give a little drip on the sides. We don't need a lot in here because the amount of surface area is quite small. And then we put it back into the clamp base, and this is really smooth now. Okay, and I'm going to do it to the other fixed clamp right here. Okay, just apply a little bit of oil and then put it back into the clamp base. Very smooth. Okay, so that's the shaft of the fixed clamp. The other location which we need to apply oil are actually on the clamp mechanism itself. Depending on the design of your clamp, you might have to do different things to it. For my particular one, which is made by Gamma, it operates with a couple of roller bearings, and the roller bearings are supported by some small shaft inside. So we will try to apply oil into the gaps so that it will fill into the shaft itself. Okay, so we do this kind of carefully. You don't need a lot of oil, just a little bit, and that should be enough to make it smooth. Just one drop on each location. One drop. And one more drop here. And that's done for this clamp. Very smooth. And then I'll finish it up with the other clamp. Okay, drop of oil here. Drop of oil here. Here and that's it. Now the clamps are actually really smooth. So I would recommend you do this cleaning procedure every 50 to 100 string jobs. You may want to clean the track more if you see dirt or grime stuck on it. And that's it. Thank you for watching.